Hi, I'm Lisa and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. The word of the week is candor. Candor means a quality of being open and honest, especially in speech or expression. So when someone's giving a speech or they're talking to you and you feel like they're being open and honest, or they write a letter explaining something that's really heartfelt to them, we would say they're having candor or being candid with us. So some synonyms are the same for the word candor would be honesty, frankness, or truthfulness. Some antonyms, which are opposites, would be deceit, hypocrisy, or dishonesty. All right, and how would we use this in a sentence? The politician's candor in admitting his mistakes was impressive to voters, so he was honest about making mistakes. He spoke with candor about the difficulties of his illness, so being honest about how hard it was to be sick. All right, so our word of the week, candor, open, honest, and sincere. All right, that's it for our word of the week. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.